Okay, so the Zippo truck finally got here. He's been lost in Southern California somewhere. Let's see what he dropped off for this Memorial Day. Okay, so this one came in the normal Zippo black box. And the label on this one says, it actually says Rainbow Triangle. Of course, it was made in Bradford, PA. And that is why they call it the Rainbow Triangle. Now this one's on a black matte finish. At least part of it is. And then it has a shiny black sticker with that rainbow triangle on there. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. And of course it's a brass body, and it was made in, looks like L of 14. Bradford, PA, made in the USA. It lights up good, it's got a good sound. So there is the, what they call that? The Rainbow Triangle by Zippo. Deserves a little cowbell. And a little good sound. Knuckle bump.